Hello, everyone. I am pretty excited today to welcome you to Tech Studio 24. Today, we are going to dive into a very interesting coding journey. We will be writing a Python script that will program your email to send automated birthday wishes to your friends on their individual birthdays. I want you to imagine a scenario where you have 1,000 friends, and these friends have 365 different birthdays. It's very hard to keep tabs of all these dates, right? Oh, yes, it is, but Python has the solution to this problem. I want you to step back and relax as our professional expert guides you through these Python coding skills in a step-by-step way and in a very few minutes. Welcome back. The very first step that you are going to take to begin this project is to create a database of all your friends' names, emails, and dates of birth in the exact methodology as seen on the whiteboard on your screen. Make sure that your data follows the exact pattern seen on your screen. There is a comma sign after each data, as you can see, starting with name comma, email comma, and date comma. Enter all you friends' details in that pattern, then copy your data and save these data using your spreadsheets in .csv. Make sure that your data entered is saved in .csv only and not .numbers or .xls etc. After copying your friend's data, you will have to paste the whole data into your spreadsheet or Excel software, as you can see here. After this, name your file as birthdays. You will notice that the file is initially saved automatically as birthdays.numbers! Do not worry. Just go to File and then click on Export As, then choose CSV. And that is it. Your file is saved as .csv. As you can see up here, that the data file is clearly saved in CSV. Now, for this Python script to work properly, the database, which is the CSV file, must reside in the same folder as your Python script. So let us create a common folder here, right where the CSV file is located, to enable us move the files one step closer to achieving the rule I just mentioned. Let us call the new folder My Project. After creating the folder, let us move the CSV file a step closer by moving the database file into the folder. Please note that for us to be able to completely satisfy the rule I mentioned earlier, we have to also use this new folder as our Python script location while coding in our chosen Python IDE. We are going to use the Scikar-M as our Python IDE for this project. Let us click on the Scikar-M to initialize. After the Scikar-M has opened, click on New Project. In the next page, you will see the name of the project as Python Project 1. Let's leave this that way. But in the location, click on the drop-down to change the location to the new folder we saved earlier. Then after choosing the new folder, which we called My Project, click Open then on the Scikar-M page. Make sure the dialog box Create a Welcome Script is checked. After this is checked, then click on Create to start the process of scripting. At this stage, I want you to allow the IDE to initialize while I hand you over to Mr. Phil in part 2 of this tutorial for a detailed step-by-step of the coding and scripting procedure. Watch out for the part 2 of this tutorial with Mr. Phil. Make sure you like and subscribe to Tech Studio 24 below to alert you as soon as the part 2 is out. Enjoy your tutorial. See you at the end of the tutorials.